In this video, we will guide you through how to install plugins in Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The first thing that we have to do is go to the Roblox website, and once you are in the Roblox, just go to the Create tab at the top and just wait for the Create tab to load, and after loading, just go to the Store tab at your left hand side. From here, you will see different categories to browse, so just go ahead and click on plugins. And now you can search for the exact plugin that you have in mind, or you can just add filter also, or you can also scroll down and look for any plugins that you like. Let's say I like this particular plugin, so I'll just click on it, and after that, at the top right, I will just click on Get Plugin. Now you will see that the item has been successfully added to your inventory. Now that we have done that, we will just go to Roblox Studio. And once you are in the project, when you go into the plugins tab, you will see we will not get the plugin that we added earlier. So to do that, just go to the plugins and go to manage plugins. From here, just click on the plus icon and your toolbox will open. And now just go to the inventory tab, which is like a 4 squares. So just click on it, and after that just click on the drop down for the inventory and click on my plugins section. This is where all the plugins that you have added from the Roblox website will appear. And as you can see, this was the particular plugin that we added. So now just go ahead and click on install, or sometimes you even have to buy it. Roblox Studio will automatically install the plugin for you, and once that it is saying installed, you can just go ahead to the plugin management and you can toggle it on from there also. If it does not show up immediately, give it a moment or restart Roblox Studio and it should now appear. And that's it. You have successfully installed a plugin in Roblox Studio, starting from the Roblox website all the way to using it inside your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.